It's in Alexandrer. I've just had a hurricane or storm-proof window system installed by Paradise Exteriors. I'd like to share some of my experiences with you. First of all, I got quotes from about 3 or 4 different installers, and the one that Paradise sent around was the nicest, the most efficient, and to the point without any BS. He was good. So then I got permits drawn up so that everything was nice and legal. The installers came in, and it took them 2 days to take out everything and replace it. They did it very neatly and tidily. There's a minimal exterior paintwork to be done afterwards. And for about a month, there was no curtains or blinds anywhere, and it's actually rather nice living in the house with open windows because they look so nice compared with the old-fashioned ones that were there before. And then the inspectors came and everything passed with flying colours, and we put the curtains back up and the place looks just amazing. It's points that I'd like to make that this is right on the corner here. The sound is just almost non-existent now, outdoor sound. And I think the air conditioning bills dropped a little bit too. Not as much as I was promised, I don't think, but basically it has gone down a bit. And it's just so nice looking. I just love them, and I'm very pleased with them.